it's me Molly. So I just got my mystery box from Everyday Style, aka Ashley, and Christina Little Black Hanger did a video like this and I was really inspired, so of course I went ahead and bought one of her mystery boxes. And honestly, I'm so excited. I got a lot of mystery boxes over the summer and a lot of them were hit or miss, but this one I have a good feeling about, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I already have like it cut open so I don't have to do that on camera, but I'm pretty excited about everything in here, and let's just dive in. So first things first, I got a little Poshmark sticker and a business card. Super cute. I love it. Put that sticker on my laptop, to be honest. First thing, this is cute. What is this? I got a Zara basic. I've never picked up Zara before, so this will be really cool to see like how well it does, because I love Zara's pieces and they're really good quality, I think, but this is really cute. So it's like a light blue color, light striping, and then it has these like scalloped edges on it's kind of like a bell sleeve or trumpet sleeve, and then it has like the scalloped edges on the bottom. This is really cute, and this is a size small. Then I got, some Miss Me jeans, and these are super cute. I sold actually like Miss Me shorts that I DIY'd because I wore my Miss Me jeans so much. I only had 2 pairs, and I wore them so much that like they like wore out in the thigh. So I made them into shorts and I sold those, and like honestly, this is so cute. Like they're in really good condition still, and I honestly see these selling, so yeah. And they're a size 26 and they're the boot cut style, so these are really cute. Classic Miss Me's. I am so excited about these. Then I got a Lou & Grey by Loft extra small drop a waist dress. This is really cute. I don't have like any black in my closet, surprisingly, so this will be a good add to my closet, and I really like it. I've heard of Lou & Grey, but I never pick it up, and honestly, like, this is such a cute piece. I'm excited about that. Ooh, new tags, Disney, size large. I think it's a junior size large, because it says 11-13 in it, and it's kind of like an American flag printed Mickey Mouse. That is so cute, and Disney stuff has been selling really well recently on like Mercari, so honestly, I'm excited about this because who doesn't love Disney? And next, oh my gosh, another new piece, another new tags, Nordstrom Rack, Socialite, size small, nude and black dress. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. Has a zipper along the back, and it just has like the nice nude underneath. If this was my size, I would keep this for myself. Like, this is really cute. And oh my gosh, it has kind of like the rib cage cutout with crochet lace around the rib. That is so cute. I used to have a dress like that from Forever 21. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And next, this is actually the last piece. I got this Akimi and Kin, size extra small, another black piece. Perfect for like oh my gosh, this is really cute. It's kind of like a dolman sleeved top, batwing top. Really cute. And then the sleeves, like the ends of it have like this mesh. I really like that. And then it is the Akimi and Kin, which, oh, that sounds so familiar. I don't know if that's like an Urban Outfitters or if it's Anthropologie. Honestly, I feel like it's Anthro, so I'm excited about that. This is, oh my gosh, this box, you guys, this is amazing. I got 6 items for $36.49. Not that bad. That's including shipping. And then if you were to take off the shipping, I spent $30 on this box. Each thing came out to $5 a piece, if you count just it being $30. And because I personally am just not going to count the shipping, because if I were to like go out shopping, I would spend $5 on these pieces, to be honest. Because honestly, that's not that bad for Zara, Anthropologie, I think. Nordstrom pieces, like, that's not bad at all. So I think this box is very affordable compared to a lot of other mystery boxes, and you get such good stuff for what you're spending. And I personally don't have that much money to spend, and I was so excited to get this box, and I love every single piece that is in here. And I think they all have such great value, and honestly, I love how she like curated her boxes and really like carefully thought out what she wanted to put in each one. I'm just really appreciative, and I'm excited to see how well these things do. I run my Poshmark business out of my dorm, so it's just, you know, I don't have a lot of time to go out and thrift as much as I want to, and the prices in my small thrift, or my small town, like the thrift store prices are ridiculously like high. So it was really good to like get these pieces for such like a low cost, and like they just all came to my front door and I really like it. So I'm so excited. If you want to check out Ashley's channel, I'll link her channel down below, as well as Christina's unboxing haul, aka Little Black Hanger, and I'll also link Everyday Styles or Ashley's closet on Poshmark and my closet down below as always. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Molly and I create a lot of reselling, thrifting, and lifestyle videos. I've been kind of, you know, throwing out different videos besides reselling just to kind of get back to my old roots, but I do love to resell. It is my job right now, and if you want to follow me along my journey, then just subscribe. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers by like the end of this month, and I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching, and comment down below what piece was your favorite out of the ones that I got, and if you have gotten a box from Everyday Style, I would love to watch an unboxing video of yours if you happen to film one. Remember to shine bright, and there's so much love coming from my house to yours. Bye guys.